Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain path animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Prepare the object you want to move in advance. In object mode, press Shift plus A and click Curve and then Path. This will add a path on the 3D viewport. Press Tab to switch to edit mode, and you can change the path to another shape. The shape can be easily changed by selecting and moving the fulcrum. After deciding the shape of the path, right-click with the point that will be the starting point of the animation, and click Cursor to select it from Snap. Then the 3D cursor will move to the start of the animation. Press Tab to switch to object mode, and select the object you want to move. In this state, right-click and click Snap Selection to Cursor. Then you can move the object to the starting point of the animation. Rotate the object and adjust its orientation as you like. After deciding the orientation, right-click with both object and the path selected, and then click Parents Follow Path. This completes the path animation settings. Click the play button on the timeline. In this way, you can move the object along the path you set. Now let's add acceleration and deceleration movements to this animation. With the path selected, click Object Data Properties to open the path animation. Right-click on the evaluation time and click Clear Keyframes. This allows you to reset the default animation that moves at a constant speed once. At the state, you can add acceleration, deceleration to the animation by inserting keyframes individually into any frame. Now let's actually insert a keyframe. First, with the current frame set to 1 on the timeline, set the evaluation time value to 0. Right-click on the evaluation time and click Insert Keyframe. Then the evaluation time is displayed in yellow, just like this. In the same way, insert keyframes arbitrarily while moving the current frame. This time, as an example, set 20 at the 40th frame, 90 at the 60th frame, and 100 at the 100th frame. Then you can make the object move slowly, just like this. Please try various path animations by all means. This is the end of the explanation of path animation. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.